now looking in my direction. So until you see it, that means you have about another 30 seconds or so. Okay? And then once you're done, everyone will clap. And then David's going to step back in. So if you just want to move over a tiny bit to your left. He's going to present you with a crystal. So he's going to say a couple more words into the microphone. He'll have David step in front of the orange button. And we're going to invite the rest of your team to join. Is there a special thing about the first or just everybody in front? So you're going to press it right in the center. A little bit harder in the center. Perfect. Once it lights up, you know you did it right. Yes. You can press it down. It's almost like New Year's. Yep. So everyone will be counting that 10, 9, 8. When it reaches 0, you'll press the button.
We see the numbers here.
Yes. And then you're just going to pick up his pen as soon as you press the button. You set your name on the podium. You do that right now as a practice.
This?
Okay, your signature is going to be on top of the text.
It's fine. Getting
Getting here was a little risky, but
At least you didn't have to row your boat to get here today.
that's true. A lot of people, Damien was out.
He was 60.
Yeah.
He was the other inspection. Probably seasoned vet.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Okay.
David Wicks.
Welcome. Thank you. Thank you for coming and bringing the nice weather.
Excellent to be here.
You say you couldn't have picked a better day.
Any idea how many Finnish companies have been here before? Somebody was presented the question, I don't have an answer.
You know, let's say you're the first.
That would be more easy.
Oh my God, Laura.
At a new 52-week high, the last of the major indices to close in that territory. We'll have more on the other side. You know who's next. Maria Bartiromo.
And it is 4 o'clock on Wall Street and 4 o'clock in Washington, D.C. Do you know where your money is? Hi, everybody. Welcome to the
7 straight days of gains. Oil right near those January 6 highs. The market has been creeping up bit by bit. 40 points at a time, 50 points at a time. Maybe it was the luck of the Irish today.
We did it. This is the highest close of the year, folks. 10,725 was the mark-off point. Anything above that, and we broke a record for 2010. We have done it. 48 points to the plus side was enough to send us over.
Look at that. You know, we're in the green on St. Patrick's Day. The Bulls are clearly on the march. They've got the Bears on the run. This is the 7th straight day of gains. We're also seeing about 90% of the S&P 500 trading above their 200-day moving averages. What a day on Wall Street we're seeing right now.